Yes, good morning students. In previous session, we are discussing about the adjoint of a square matrix, minor of an element, cofactor of an element and adjoint of a square matrix as well as inverse of a square matrix. So, you know the definition of inverse of a square matrix. What is that? If A and B are any two square matrices having the same order, suppose if possible AB is equal to BA is equal to I. If this condition is satisfied, then A and B are called inverses of each other. That is, A is inverse of B as well as B is inverse of A. Mathematically we write A is equal to B inverse and B is equal to A inverse. Note that AB is equal to BA is equal to I can be written as A into A inverse is same as A inverse into A is equal to identity matrix I. Then to find the inverse of a square matrix, now the inverse of a square matrix A inverse is equal to the formula 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Condition determinant of A is not equal to 0 means A is non-singular matrix. Nodri non-singular matrix ittu andre inverse matrix exist agutte, singular matrix ittu andre inverse matrix does not exist. Okay, this is the formula for inverse of a square matrix. Based on this, to solve the problems, very simple problem, one or two problems. Now here the problem like this: find the inverse of a square matrix. Find the inverse of a square matrix. Find the inverse of a square matrix. First one, A is equal to 2 minus 2, or if you take A is equal to 3 cross 3 matrix, 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4. Okay, to find the inverse of a square matrix, you know the formula. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. First, to check it whether given matrix is singular or non-singular. If it is singular matrix, don't find adjoint of matrix. If it is singular, write directly the given matrix A inverse does not exist. If it is non-singular, go for adjoint. First check it. Now determinant of A is equal to determinant 1 minus 1 2, 0 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4. Expand plus minus plus. You know how to expand. 1 into deleting first to first column, 2 4s are 8, minus minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6. That plus into minus minus 6. Minus into minus plus 1. Deleting first to second column, 0 into 4 0. Difference minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9, minus into minus plus 9. Plus 2 into deleting first to second third column, the difference of the cross multiply 0, difference minus 3 2s are 6, 8 minus 6 2, then 0 plus 9, 9 into 1 9, 0 minus 6 minus 6 2s are minus 12, 9 plus 2 11, minus 12, that is minus 1, which is not equal to 0. The given, therefore the given matrix is non-singular. If it is non-singular matrix, inverse matrix exists. Then to find adjoint, you know how to solve adjoint of matrix. To find the cofactors, how many cofactors? 9 cofactors. C1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 is even number positive. Deleting first to first column 4 numbers, that is determinant 2 minus 3 minus 2 4, that is plus of 2 4s are 8, difference minus minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 plus into minus minus, that is 2. C1 2 minus deleting first row second column, first row second column 4 numbers, 0 minus 3 3 4, 0 minus 3 3 4, that is minus 0 into 4 0, difference minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9, minus into minus plus 9, that is minus 9. C1 3 plus deleting first row third column 4 numbers, 0 2 3 minus 2, that is plus the difference of the cross multiply 0 minus 3 2s are 6, that is minus 6. Next C21 minus, because 2 plus 1 3, 3 is odd number negative sign, deleting second row first column, ತೆಗಿರಿ -1 to -2 4, -1 to -2 4, minus -1 into 4 -4, minus difference of the cross multiply, minus -2 into 2 -4, minus into minus plus 4, that is 0. C22 plus deleting second row second column, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, plus the difference of the cross multiply, 4 minus 3 2s are 6, that is -2. C23 minus, because 2 plus 3 5 odd number minus sign, deleting second row third column, 1 minus 1 3 minus 2, 1 minus 1 3 minus 2, minus the difference of the cross multiply, -2, difference minus 3 into -1 -3, minus into minus plus 3, -2 plus 3 1, that is -1. Next C31, 3 plus 1 4, 4 is even number, plus deleting third row first column, -1 to 2 -3, -1 to 2 -3, expand 1 -1 into -3 3, -4, that is -1. ಹೌದಾ? next C32 minus deleting third row second column, 1 to 0 -3, 1 to 0 -3, minus the difference of the cross multiply, -3, 0 into 2 0, that is +3. Finally C33 plus deleting third row third column, 0 1 -1 0 2, expand it, 1 into 2 2, -0, that is 2. These are the cofactors. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the cofactors, C112, C12 -9, C13 -6, C210, C22 -2, C23 -1, right? C31 -1, C323, C332, its transpose. Definition of transpose: interchanging the rows and columns. In first two elements are 2 -9 6, write in first column. Second row 0 -2 1, write in second column. Third row -1 3 2, write in third column. This is adjoint. Therefore ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ adjoint of matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೇ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Therefore A inverse is equal to, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ, 1 by determinant of A, 1 by determinant of A value -1 into adjoint of A, 2 0 -1, -9 -2 3, -6 -1 2. This is inverse of a square matrix. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು adjoint of A ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಏನು, ಆ adjoint of matrix ಗೆ determinant of A ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is another method, that is inverse matrix. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು adjoint of matrix ಕಾಮನ್. adjoint of matrix ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು again based on adjoint of matrix and inverse matrix, then one more method, that is most important method, that is 5 mark question in part D question, 100% guarantee question, that is matrix method. Last method is matrix method. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, adjoint of matrix ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು adjoint of matrix 1 ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. Look here. Now here, to solve the system of equation, to solve the system of linear equations, say in general a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to say d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Consider 3 linear equations in general, a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Okay, where a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 are coefficients of xyz, and right side d1 d2 d3 are constants. Using the matrices, using matrix method to solve the system of linear equations using matrix method. How to solve? Step number 1. Let A is the matrix. Write the coefficients of xyz. What are the coefficients of xyz? a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. Okay, now to find three unknown values x y z value, to find three unknown values x y z, now that unknown value is denoted by say capital X. Let capital X is equal to say x y z. ಈ ಮೂರು values ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is denoted by capital X. And right side constant value denoted by b, that is d1 d2 d3. ಇದು ಮೊದಲೇ step ಇದು. Okay, therefore these three matrices satisfying the equation a into x equal to b. a into x is equal to b. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, a into x, this matrix by that matrix, multiply row by column, a1x plus b1y plus c1z is there, yes, is equal to b, corresponding element d1. So these three matrices satisfying the equation a into x equal to b. Okay, now to find three unknown values, that is x y z. So eliminate a. How to eliminate? Since A is non-singular matrix, non-singular means determinant of A is not equal to 0. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, whether A inverse exists or not? Yes, A inverse exists. So eliminate A. So what can you do? Operate on both sides by A inverse on left side or on right side. So operate A inverse on both sides. See what happens. A inverse into AX is equal to A inverse into B. Operate on left side by A inverse in equation 4. This implies by associative property, interchanging the bracket, A inverse into A of X is equal to A inverse into B. Right? This implies, but A inverse into A, you know, A into A inverse, you know, what is that? I into X is equal to A inverse into B. What is I? Identity matrix, unit matrix into X, that is X. I and 1 is 1 into X, X is equal to A inverse into B. So X means what? The solution, X value is XYZ is equal to A inverse into B. Therefore the solution is X is equal to A inverse into B, Y is equal to A inverse into B, and Z is equal to A inverse into B if A is non-singular matrix. A inverse exists, then only inverse matrix exists. If A is non-singular, inverse matrix exists. If A is singular, inverse matrix does not exist. So this is the formula. Okay, now to find three unknown values using matrix method, that is capital X equal to A inverse into B. This is the formula. Okay, based on this to solve the problems. Okay, now the problem like this, very simple problem. One day type 100% guarantee question, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್? 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? Now the question, first problem, solve the system of equation, system of linear equation. Say 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8. 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1. 4x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 4 using matrix method. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 39 and 40. 40th is algebra of matrices. 41st question number 41. Okay, using matrix method. Very simple. Correct concept ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು? ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಏನೇನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ರೈಟ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಝೆಡ್. ಏನೇನಿದೆ? 3 minus 2 3. Second line 2 1 minus 1. Third line 4 minus 3 2. Next ನಾವು 3 values ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು? x value, y value, z value. Those 3 values denoted by capital X. Let capital X is equal to x, y, z. Right side values, constant values denoted by b is equal to 8 1 4. Solve the system of equation. It means to find the value of x, y, z using matrix method. Therefore, these 3 matrices satisfying the equation a into x equal to b. Then after simplification write directly. Therefore, this implies capital X is equal to n ಬರುತ್ತೆ. After finding the inverse, that is capital X, a inverse into b. Write directly. ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Capital X equal to a inverse into b. a inverse solve ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. What is a inverse formula? a inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of a into adjoint of a. That is the formula. ಹೌದಾ? Now first to find determinant of a. Determinant 3 minus 2 3, 2 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3 2. ಹೌದಾ? Expand plus minus plus 3 into deleting first row first column 2 difference minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus into minus 3 minus into minus plus 2 deleting first row second column 4 numbers. The difference of the cross multiply 2 into 2 4 difference minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 that minus into minus plus 4 plus 3 into deleting first row third column 2 into minus 3 minus 6 difference minus 4 into 1 4. Right? So determinant of a is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Yes. So 3 into minus 1 plus 2 into 4 plus 4 8 plus 3 into minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. Minus 3 plus 16 minus 30. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? minus 3 plus 16 13. 13 minus 30 minus 43. Correct? Sorry, plus that is 30 minus 33 plus 16 minus 17, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given matrix is non-singular. If it is non-singular, inverse exists or does not exist? Inverse exists. The determinant of a solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಾ? Next ಏನು ಬೇಕು? Adjoint. How to solve adjoint? Transpose of the cofactors. How many cofactors? 9 cofactors. To find one by one cofactor, C11 plus deleting first row first column 4 numbers. Determinant 4 numbers ಯಾವುದು? 1 minus 1 minus 3 2 plus the difference of the cross multiply 2 difference minus another diagonal minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus into minus 3, that is minus 1. Next C12 minus the difference of the cross multiplication deleting first row second column 2 minus 1 4 2 minus the difference of the cross multiply 4 difference minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 8. C13 plus alternative sign deleting first row third column 4 numbers 2 1 4 minus 3. The difference of the cross multiply 2 into minus 3 minus 6 difference minus 4 into 1 4, that is minus 10. Next first row over, take second row C21 minus deleting second row first column minus 2 3 minus 3 2, that is minus the difference of the cross multiply minus 4, difference minus 3 into 3 minus 9, minus into minus plus 9, minus 4 plus 9 5, that is minus 5. C22 plus deleting second row second column 3 3 4 2, 3 3 4 2 plus of 3 2s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12, 6 minus 12 minus 6. C23 minus deleting second row third column 3 minus 2 4 minus 3, 3 minus 2 4 minus 3, minus of the difference of the cross multiply 3 into minus 3 minus 9, difference minus 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus into minus plus 8, minus 9 plus 8 minus 1, that minus into minus plus 1. Then take third row C31 plus deleting third row first column minus 2 3 1 minus 1, minus 2 3 1 minus 1, plus of deleting expand it minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, difference minus 1 into 3 3, 2 minus 3 minus 1. C32 minus sign because 3 plus 2 5 is odd number, minus deleting third row second column tegiri 3 3 2 minus 1, correct? 3 3 2 minus 1, minus 3 into minus 1 cross multiply minus 3, difference minus 2 3s are 6, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9, minus into minus plus 9. Then last element C33 plus deleting third row third column 4 numbers 3 minus 2 2 1, 3 minus 2 2 1, that is plus 3 into 1 3, difference minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus into minus plus 4, 3 plus 4 7. These are the cofactors. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to, definition of adjoint ಏನಿದೆ, transpose of the cofactors. 9 cofactors. First cofactor C11 minus 1, C12 minus 8, C13 minus 10, C21 minus 5, C22 minus 6, C23 1, C31 minus 1, C32 9, C33 7. Its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. First row ದಾಗಿದ್ದಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. minus 1 minus 8 minus 10, second column minus 5 minus 6 1, third column minus 1 9 7. This is adjoint. Therefore A inverse is equal to A inverse. So therefore A inverse is equal to, A inverse formula ಏನಿದೆ, 1 by determinant of A, 1 by determinant of A value minus 17 into adjoint of A ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 7. This is A inverse. Now to find XYZ, therefore capital X is equal to, A inverse into B. What is A inverse? A inverse value 1 by minus 17 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 1, right? Then minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 7 into B matrix ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 8 1 4, 8 1 4. That is X is equal to minus 1 by 17 into multiply row by column minus 1 into 8 minus 8, minus 5 into 1 minus 5, minus 1 into 4 minus 4, second row by first column minus 8 into 8 minus 64, minus 6 into 1 minus 6, 9 into 4 36, right? Third row by first column minus 10 into 8 minus 80, 1 into 1 plus 1, 7 into 4 28. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು A inverse ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್. ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ adjoint of matrix ಕಾಮನ್, ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ adjoint of matrix ಕಾಮನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ -1/17 into -8 -5 -13 -4 -17 -64 -6 -70 plus 34 -34 -70 plus 36 -34 28 plus 1 29 29 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ -51 ಹೌದಾ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು, XYZ. Therefore x is equal to -1/17 into -1 -17 plus 1. Y is equal to -1/17 into -34 17 ones are 17 twos are. Z is equal to -1/17 into -51 17 ones are 17 threes are. X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2, Z is equal to 3 is the solution. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಾವು A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ತಾನೆ, ಆ A ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಈಗ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಇದೆ, 3 into 1 3 ಆಯ್ತಾ. y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 2 into 2 4 3 minus 4 -1 ಆಯ್ತು. z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 3 into 3 9 ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಬಂದಿದೆ, -1 plus 9 8 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವನ್ ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 4 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. Solve the system of equation, say 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1, x minus 2y minus z is equal to 3/2, 3y minus 5z is equal to 9 using matrix method. Using matrix method. Okay. First step, A is the matrix. Write the coefficients of x, y, z. 2 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 1. Then there is no x term. Matil 3 ಬರ್ಗಿರ್ದಿರಿ, x term ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. 0 because there is no x term. 0 3 minus 5. To find 3 unknown values denoted by capital X. Capital X is equal to x, y, z, and constant term b is equal to 1 3/2 9. Therefore, next step, a into x equal to b implies capital X equal to a inverse into b. Now to find a inverse, what is the formula for a inverse? 1 by determinant of a into adjoint of a. Then to find determinant of a, whether the given matrix is singular or non-singular, check it. 2 1 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 3 minus 5 plus minus plus, expand it. 2 into 10 plus 3, the difference of the cross multiply, you know how to expand it. Minus 1 into first row second column, minus 5 plus 0 plus 1 into deleting first row third column, 3 minus 0. So 10 plus 3 13 2s are 26 plus 5 plus 3 30 26 plus 5 31 plus 3 34, which is not equal to 0. The given matrix is non-singular matrix. If it is non-singular, inverse exists or does not exist? It is exist. Next, to find adjoint, to find the cofactors. So shall I write directly? Direct baret kaliri. C11 hage 1 plus 1 2, 2 is positive number plus direct bariri. Deleting first row first column ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 4 number ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. The difference of the cross multiply, minus 2 into 5 plus 10, difference minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus into minus plus 3, that is 13. C12 minus deleting first row second column 4 numbers cross multiply, 1 into minus 5 correct, minus 0, that is plus 5. C13 plus deleting first row third column 4 numbers cross multiply, 1 into 3 3 minus 0, that is plus 3. Next, first row over second row, C21 minus deleting second row first column 4 numbers Cross multiply. 1 into minus 5 minus 3 into 1 3, that is plus 8. C22 plus deleting second row second column ತೆಗಿರಿ 4 number ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Cross multiply. First you take principal diagonals. 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 0, that is minus 10. C23 minus, because 2 plus 3 5 is odd, negative sign. Deleting second row third column. 4 numbers. 2 into 3 6 minus 0, that is minus 6. Second row over, third row. C31 deleting third row first column. 4 numbers. 1 into minus 1 minus 1, difference minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2, that is plus 1. C32 minus deleting third row second column. 4 numbers. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 1 1, that is plus 3. C33 plus deleting third row third column. 4 numbers. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, difference minus 1 into 1 1, that is minus 1. Direct bullet practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, all cofactors ಆಯ್ತಾ. Therefore adjoint of A is equal to definition ಏನಿದೆ, transpose of the cofactors. C11 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 13. First row. C12 5, C13 3, C21 8, C22 minus 10, C23 minus 6, C31 1, C32 3, C33 minus 5. It's a transpose. By interchanging the rows and columns, definition of transpose: 13 5 3, 8 minus 10 minus 6, 1 3 minus 5. This is adjoint. Therefore A inverse is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by determinant of A. Determinant of A value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 34 into adjoint. Adjoint ಏನಿದೆ 13 8 1, second row 5 minus 10 3, third row 3 minus 6 minus 5. ಹೌದಾ? A inverse ಆಯ್ತು. Therefore capital X is equal to A inverse 1 by 34 into 13 8 1, 5 minus 10 3, 3 minus 6 minus 5 into B matrix 1 3 by 2 9. Correct? That is 1 by 34 into, multiply row by column. 13 into 1 13, 8 into 3 by 2, 2 1s are 2 4s are, multiply ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. 4s ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲ, 4 3s are 12 ಆಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ. Yes. 1 into 9 9. Second row by first column. 5 into 1 5, minus 10 into 3 by 2, 2 1s are 2 5s are, minus 5 into 3 minus 15, 3 9s are 27. Third row by first column. 3 into 1 3, minus 6 into 3 by 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are, minus 3 into 3 minus 9, 5 into 9, 5 9s are 45. Capital X value X Y Z is equal to 1 by 34 into 13 plus 12 25, 25 plus 9 34, 5 minus 15 minus 10, minus 10 plus 27, that is 17. 3 minus 9 minus 6, minus 6 minus 45 minus 51, that is XYZ is equal to, by scalar multiplication, 1 by 34 into 34 1, 34 ones are 34 ones are, 1 by 34 into 17, 17 ones are 17 twos are, 1 by 2, 1 by 34 into minus 51, minus 51 by 34. Therefore X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1 by 2, Z is equal to minus 51 by 34. Further simplify, 17 twos are 17 threes are, that is minus 3 by 2. Hence the solution is X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1 by 2, Z is equal to minus 3 by 2. 5 mark question, part D, question number 41. Okay, now check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವು ಮೂರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಮೂರು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ದಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 by 2 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 9 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 3y, y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 by 2, minus 5z, z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ -3/2 ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 into 1/2 3/2 minus into minus plus 15/2 LCM 2 ತಾನೆ 3 plus 15 18/2 9 ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3/2 ಬರಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೀವು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಂತರ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಏನು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಸೈನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಸೈನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವು ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೇ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ದ matrices as well as determinant topic okay thank you